Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, we are making chicken ramen, well, chicken flavor ramen express. I don't know, it's vegetarian. I have no idea how good it's going to be, but it was a couple bucks, and we'll see how it compares to the cheapy ramen, which I actually enjoy. So yeah, let's cook. So with this, it says to fold the lid back halfway, add boiling water up to inside fill line. So I just kind of guessed and filled my tea kettle with some water. So now I will start up my backpacking stove and get the water boiling. Water is boiling and I have torn back the lid halfway. This is what it looks like inside. There's our noodles, our dried veggies, and our chicken flavor. Very very obviously right on top there. So I like these little noodles though with the little veggies. So after I end up pouring the water in, I have to let it just stand for 3 minutes. But I'm really curious to share my thoughts with you guys on how tasty these noodles are, if they're even good at all. So my water is rapidly boiling, so I just turn it off. Now I'm going to pour it into our ramen here, to the inside line. Yo, I made like the perfect amount. Yes, I made the perfect amount, you guys. So what I'm going to do is when I make this sort of stuff, I put like a towel over the top of it. So that way none of the hot air will get out. And now it needs to sit for 3 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been about 3 minutes. Let's see where we're at with this here. Ooh, looks tasties. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. I'm probably gonna honestly add like some seasonings to it. Ooh, it smells really good. I think I'm gonna give it like another minute. So I'll tell you guys what, I added a little bit of pepper and a little bit of garlic to my ramen. You know, just to jazz it up. I mean, it's ramen, right? I do like the little veggies in it, I do. But I'm gonna take a bite and give you guys like my super honest opinion. I bought this ramen, by the way, at Walmart. I've been noticing that all of the ramen, it's pretty much sold out everywhere because groceries are expensive. So this was like I said, I think it was like a $2 or $3 thing of ramen, but okay. Okay, let me take another bite. Okay. I'm impressed. Dang. You guys, this is tasty. Maybe it was the garlic and the pepper that I added. I don't know. This is really good. Oh, there's Winston. So, Chicken Ramen Express is what it's called. It's vegetarian. No dairy, no MSG. So, by Chef Wu. You guys, recommend it. This is a great budget meal. Easy to make on the road. Thank you for watching me make it. Super simple, right? I hope you guys will tune in for some more content. Ooh, it has onions in it too? Hell yeah! Alright guys, I'm going to eat my dinner and enjoy my ramen. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. See you next time.